systems those negotiations rely upon are being actively degraded around them. Approving a trade deal that increases market access for commodities linked to that degradation risks locking in supply chains that perpetuate high emissions and environmental harm. Irish farmers are being asked to meet ever stricter sustainability standards, adopt climate-smart practices and absorb the cost of decarbonisation. Meanwhile, imports produced with lower environmental safeguards Last Cem Corla. Is that? Are you allowing that to happen?
Deputy Healy-Rae. Deputy Healy-Rae, take your seat.
Stay in your seat and stay quiet. Stay in your seat and stay quiet. It is not your time to talk. Last Cem Corla, this is unacceptable. He is completely interrupting this debate. He does not know when it is his time to speak, and it is not your time to speak now. Sit down and be quiet. Sit down and be quiet.
I'll sit down as well.
Sit down and be
sit down, Deputy,
quiet.
or you leave the chamber. One or the other. Good. Out.
I never mentioned your name at all. It's your brother sitting in the ministerial benches I mentioned.
I am here and I've been here all day and all night.
You haven't been. You just walked back in. You just walked back in. You haven't been here all the time.
Deputy
Just
Whitmore,
stop.
continue, please.
Okay. Meanwhile, we'll get back to it. Meanwhile, imports produced with lower environmental safeguards effectively undercut these efforts. That is not fair competition, that is regulatory hypocrisy. Embedding references to the Paris Agreement into the text might provide political signalling